Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Steam Deck to a TV or an extra monitor without buying the dock. And I'm going to have to say the dock is very nice because you get three USB ports here, wired connection, and then a DisplayPort HDMI. It makes it very simple, but you still can do it. As you can see, I have it connected to this just external monitor that I use for my laptop. And I have it connected through the USB port at the top. So this will go all the way over here and then connect to this. And this is connecting through just simply USB-C. And then the bottom USB-C, this one is for power. So one of my concerns is when you connect a monitor to it, you're not going to be getting power, but you can see right here, my Steam Deck is charging while I'm doing this. So I don't know if it's going to have enough power when I'm actually playing games. Sometimes that goes down if I don't use the proper charger for it, because I'm just using my external display charger here. So that's the only issue I have, but you can see it definitely does work. I can move it around. I don't have this connected to a laptop. This is connected to my Steam Deck. So it looks like it opens up the side menu. Very easy, but I would still recommend the dock because look at, you get all these different connectors on here. You can have multiple monitors if you want. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.